Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you step by step how to store photos in Google Drive in 2025, whether you are backing up memories or organizing the albums. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come in your Google Drive by opening your web browser and typing this URL, that is drive.google.com. Once you are over here, you need to make sure that you are signed in into the correct Google account. Now over here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply create a folder for your photos. So here, click on the new option and select the option of new folder. Over here, give your folder a name. So since it is about photos, you can type something like photos 2025, then click on the option of create. Now this will help you to organize your folder before actually uploading the photographs into it. Now you need to double click on the folder that you have just created, and now we will be start by adding the photographs over here. So inside your folder, click on the new option again, then select the option of file upload. Over here, you need to simply select those photos which you want to basically upload here in your folder. Once the uploadation is completed successfully, you will see the progress bar here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, or if you see this check marked icon, it simply means that the photographs on the videos are updated successfully. Now avoid refreshing the page during the upload to prevent any kind of interruptions. Once uploaded, your photos are safely stored in the drive, so you can right click to share, star, or download anytime, and they will sync across the devices if you use a drive on the multiple platforms. And that's how you can store your photos in Google Drive in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more Google tips, and comment below if you want me to create a tutorial on any other topic. Thanks for watching. Bye.